How to mirror effect in Picsart. Want a perfect reflection in your photo? Here's how to mirror an image in Picsart. First, open your photo and click on the Tools menu. Select Flip or Rotate. Then choose Mirror Horizontal or Mirror Vertical depending on the direction you want. If you'd like this part of the image mirrored, duplicate the layer first, flip it, and align it manually. You can fine-tune the placement using the move handles or adjust opacity for a subtle effect. When it looks right, click Apply and save your mirrored masterpiece. Have you tried mirroring portraits or landscapes? Tell us in the comments below. Mirroring works great for creative symmetry. You can try it with patterns or urban shots for dramatic effects. And that's how you can mirror images in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.